Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of September 18th through the 24th in my catch-all planner using the Raspberry Lemonade Kit by SimplySweetlyCrafty. I am on a PR for SimplySweetlyCrafty, I believe until the end of this month. So if you are wanting to save yourself some money on her site, you can use my code Megan15 and you will receive my SimplySweetlyCrafty freebie. And this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the pink and the pops of color in here. So that is my freebie. And these are the items that I'm going to most likely be using. I'm not quite sure about these ones, but this is the kit itself. And she does have them where you can get it a la carte. So that is exactly what I did. I did get a couple of items because I knew I wanted to use it for my catch-all. So you've got the full boxes here. We've got the washi, and then this is the sampler. And I did go ahead and add the dates to it so that I wouldn't have to do that and waste time. But these are the items that come with the kit, like you can get them a la carte. And then this is the deco that you can also get a la carte. And then I did get a few other items in my Hobonichi. I did use the Raspberry Lemonade Hobonichi Weeks kit, and I can actually show you what it looks like. If you follow me on Instagram, then you have probably seen it already. Okay. This is what the Hobonichi Weeks kit looks like, and I love, love, love it. So I did have some items left over from the kit, and this was one of the add-ons that you could get. So I have those left over, and then this one of the mini kits, so you can get like tiny little sampler kits on her site. And so I had got this one with the intention of using it in one of my planners, and I just forgot about it. And then this is her journaling kit pieces, and I love, 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 love journaling kits. I love journaling pieces, so I thought I would get this to go with the kit. So I'm not quite sure if we're going to use these items specifically, but for sure we are going to use these. So enough with the explanation. Let's go ahead and jump into this week. So let's go ahead and figure out how we want to lay this down. And I'm kind of leaning toward starting with the washi. I feel like that's what I usually do, so we're just going to stick with what I usually use. And this is actually going to be my farewell to summer spread because I am done with my summer spreads after this week. So I thought this would be a good way to say goodbye to summer in my catch-all. Well, that was very crooked, but it's gonna have to be okay. So SimplySweetlyCrafty has a lot of really, really pretty kits on her website. She came out with a bluey kit, which I very much love. And of course I had to get it, but she's got a lot of really, really fun ones. And I'm planning on using one of her Disney Halloween kits for the week of Halloween. So if you guys are wanting to see that, definitely don't forget to stay tuned to my channel because I will be showing you. See, that's crooked too, but it's too late now. I'm just really, really bad at cutting stickers and placing things, and you guys probably know this. Okay, I'm actually a really huge fan of this. I think it's super, super cute. I am going to tie in that blue across the top by adding this blue washi at the bottom, if this will lay down. Right there. I think I'm going to continue this one up here at the top. I'm going to cut my terrible crooked cutting off and keep this up here. Does it match? Probably not, but it'll be fine. All right, so I'm going to use the This Week sticker, and I'm going to actually add it to the bottom right here. And then I know I have, at least I think I have some habit trackers. There is one here, so we will go ahead and use this one. I want to leave a space. That is very, very crooked. I'm pretty sure that this sticker is crooked too, but we're not going to worry about it because I am not good at laying things down. I do want to use this piece from the journaling kit because I think I can use this for my work schedule. And I like the idea of having it here, but I actually think I am going to put it this way. And move this all the way at the top. And I kind of want to add a box. We do have this blue one, so let's see if that'll fit. It will, so we're gonna do that. Oh my gosh, I just ripped the sticker. We're not gonna say anything, it's a secret. Okay, you can kind of tell that I ripped it, but shh, no one will know. It'll be okay. So my days off are still going to be Friday, Saturday, but I'm actually going to be off on Sunday this week as well. So technically I will have an actual weekend instead of, you know, it being, you know, just the 2 days. So I'm gonna use the weekend sticker, and I think I want to just add some boxes and deco. I don't know if I want, I think I am going to use this for my checklist. And I don't know if I want to cover the spine with something or not, because I'm going to lay everything down and see if the colors match with the spine, because I'm kind of hoping I can leave it how it is, but we will see as I lay things down. that is it for this week in my catch-all planner. I absolutely love the way this turned out, and I am so happy that I used this as my farewell to summer kit. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you do want to save yourself some money from SimplySweetlyCrafty's website, I will leave all of her information in the description box as well as my code, and you can save 15% during non-sale periods and get my beautiful freebie. If you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I craft with polymer clay, art prompt journal books, and planners. So if you're interested in any of my content, check out the description box. There will be plenty of playlists related to those categories and different planner categories as well. So if you want to see more of my catch-all planner, or if you're interested in seeing my social media planner, my budget, wellness, lots of other planners that I do share on this channel. So definitely check that out if you're interested. Once again, I just want to thank you for stopping by and watching this video. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, or if you want to see more of my content. It really helps me out, and a lot of you guys really like my organization and budget videos, so I do plan on doing more of those in the future, so definitely keep an eye out. Once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!